The ocean is full of life, but few creatures capture the imagination quite like the mighty sperm whale. With a body that can reach over 60 feet, 18 meters in length, and weigh over 50 metric tons, 50 tons, the sperm whale is the world's largest predator on Earth. But beyond its size, this enigmatic creature has a remarkable story to tell. The sperm whale, or Physeter macrocephalus, is a truly remarkable creature. Its distinctive blocky head, which can account for over a third of its body length, houses the largest brain in any animal on Earth. But it's not just the sperm whale's size that makes it so fascinating. These animals have a complex social structure, use echolocation to navigate and hunt, and are capable of diving to depths of over a mile, 1,000 to 2,000 meters, in search of their preferred prey, the giant squid. The sperm whale's anatomy is uniquely adapted to its deep-sea lifestyle. In addition to its massive head, which houses its large brain and the spermaceti organ, the sperm whale has a streamlined body with a small dorsal fin and a fluke-shaped tail. Its skin is dark grey or brown, and it can have scars and scratches from battles with giant squid or other whales. The spermaceti organ is a unique feature of the sperm whale, located in its large head. It's filled with a waxy substance called spermaceti, which was once highly prized for its use in candles, cosmetics, and lubricants. The purpose of the spermaceti organ is still debated, but it's thought to play a role in buoyancy control, echolocation, or even communication. The sperm whale's physiology is also remarkable. It can hold its breath for up to 2 hours and dive to depths of over 7,000 feet, 2,100 meters, where the pressure is over 200 times greater than that at the surface. To survive such extreme conditions, the sperm whale's ribcage is designed to collapse, and its lungs can compress to avoid injury. Sperm whales are social animals, living in groups called pods. These pods are typically composed of females and their offspring, with the females being the dominant members of the group. They form strong bonds with each other and their young, and they communicate using a variety of vocalizations, including clicks, whistles, and songs. Males, on the other hand, are typically solitary and only join female pods during mating season. During this time, they compete for the attention of females and engage in aggressive battles with other males. These battles can be violent, leading to scars and deformities on the males' bodies. Sperm whales are apex predators, feeding primarily on giant squid, but they also eat other cephalopods, fish, and even sharks. To hunt these elusive creatures, sperm whales use echolocation to locate their prey in the ocean's dark depths. Echolocation is the process by which an organism emits sound waves and listens to the echoes that bounce back to determine the location, size, and distance of objects in their environment. Sperm whales produce clicks with their nasal passages and send them out through their melon, an organ in their forehead, bouncing off objects and returning to their lower jaw. The whale can then interpret the echoes to locate its prey, even in the ocean's dark depths where there is no light. Once they've found a squid, the sperm whale will dive down to great depths and use its powerful jaws to snatch it up. It can swallow a squid whole, up to 10 feet long, or tear it apart with its teeth. Sperm whales can consume up to 1 ton of food a day, and they have 4 stomach compartments to digest their prey. Once the sperm whale has located its prey, it will dive down to great depths to capture it. They're equipped with powerful jaws that allow them to snatch up the squid and consume it whole, even if it is 10 feet or 3 meters long. If the prey happens to be too large to swallow whole, the sperm whale will use its sharp teeth to tear it apart and consume it in pieces. Sperm whales can consume up to 1 ton of food a day, which is an impressive feat considering their diet primarily consists of squid, which is not as calorie dense as other prey. They have 4 stomach compartments that allow them to digest their food efficiently and extract as much nutrition as possible. Sperm whales are highly skilled hunters that rely on their advanced echolocation abilities to locate their prey in the ocean's dark depths. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth allow them to capture and consume prey much larger than themselves, making them one of the most impressive predators in the ocean. Sperm whales have played an important role in human culture for centuries. They were once hunted for their oil and blubber, used in various products, including candles, cosmetics, and machine lubricants. The story of Moby Dick, the famous novel by Herman Melville, centers around a vengeful captain's obsession with hunting down a white sperm whale. Whale oil was essential in the 19th century as it was a popular fuel for lamps and a lubricant for machines. It was also used to produce soaps, candles, and cosmetics. The whale oil industry was a significant part of the global economy during this time, and sperm whales were among the most valuable targets for hunters. As the demand for whale oil decreased, the cultural significance of sperm whales shifted toward their symbolic and literary value. Perhaps the most famous example of this use is in the novel Moby Dick. The book tells the story of Captain Ahab and his obsessive quest to hunt down a white sperm whale known as Moby Dick. The novel explores the main themes of revenge, obsession, and man's relationship with nature. It has become a classic of American literature. Sperm whales have also played essential roles in other cultural traditions, particularly those of indigenous communities. For example, in the Maori culture of New Zealand, sperm whales are regarded as sacred. They are considered to embody Tangaroa, the god of the sea. The teeth of sperm whales, which can grow up to 20 centimeters, 8 inches long, are highly valued by Maori artisans, who use them to create intricate carvings and jewelry. Sperm whales have had a profound cultural significance to humans as a valuable commodity and a symbol of literary and spiritual importance. Despite their historical exploitation, they continue to capture the imagination of people around the world. The sperm whale is a vulnerable animal on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species, with a population estimated at around 200,000 individuals worldwide. While commercial whaling of sperm whales has been banned since 1986, they still face threats from entanglement in fishing gear, collisions with ships, pollution, and climate change. Efforts are underway to monitor and protect sperm whale populations, including acoustic monitoring and habitat conservation measures. One of the most pervasive threats to the sperm whale is entanglement in fishing gear. Sperm whales dive to great depths in search of their prey, which can cause them to accidentally become entangled in fishing gear such as long lines, gill nets, and traps. Once entangled, the whale's ability to hunt, swim, and breathe is severely compromised, leading to exhaustion, injury, and often death. Efforts to reduce the impact of fishing gear on the sperm whale population have included using alternative fishing methods, such as circle hooks and buoy gear, which reduce the risk of entanglement. Collisions with ships are another major threat to sperm whales. These collisions can result in severe injury or death for the whale and damage to the ship. Shipping lanes have been modified to reduce the risk of these collisions in areas where sperm whales are known to inhabit. Speed restrictions have been implemented to allow whales to avoid incoming ships. Pollution is also a significant concern for sperm whale conservation. Sperm whales are at the top of the food chain, which means they are susceptible to the accumulation of toxins in their bodies from their prey. Additionally, they can ingest plastic debris, which can cause digestive problems and lead to starvation. Efforts to reduce pollution in the oceans, including reducing plastic use and increasing recycling, can help reduce the impact of pollution on sperm whales and other marine animals. Climate change is also a significant concern for sperm whale conservation. Changes in ocean temperature and acidity can impact the distribution and availability of prey, affecting the sperm whale's ability to hunt and survive. Additionally, warming ocean temperatures can lead to the melting of sea ice, impacting the migration patterns of sperm whales and other marine animals. The conservation of the sperm whale is essential to maintaining the balance of the ocean ecosystem. Efforts to reduce the impact of human activities, such as entanglement in fishing gear, collisions with ships, pollution, and climate change, are critical to preserving the sperm whale population. Conservation measures such as using alternative fishing methods, modifying shipping lanes, reducing pollution, and mitigating climate change can help protect the sperm whale and ensure their survival for future generations. As apex predators, sperm whales play a vital role in the ocean ecosystem. By controlling the population of squid and other prey species, they help to maintain a balance in the food chain. Additionally, their large fecal plumes can fertilize the ocean and support the growth of phytoplankton, which produces much of the oxygen we breathe. Sperm whales are also known to interact with other species, including bottlenose dolphins, pilot whales, and even humans, displaying curiosity and playfulness towards them. Sperm whales continue to be a focus of research and study, with scientists investigating their behavior, ecology, and genetics. Technological advances, such as satellite tracking, acoustic monitoring, and DNA analysis, have allowed researchers to better understand these enigmatic creatures. This research has not only increased our knowledge of the sperm whale, but has also contributed to our understanding of the ocean ecosystem and the impact of human activity on it. Today, the commercial hunting of sperm whales is prohibited. Still, they continue to be hunted illegally in some parts of the world. However, sperm whales also have a positive cultural significance in some communities. In some cultures, they are seen as sacred animals, and their teeth are used as a symbol of strength and protection. The sperm whale is a remarkable creature with a complex social structure and unique adaptations that allow it to survive in the deep sea environment. From its massive head and spermaceti organ to its ability to dive to great depths and hunt giant squid, the sperm whale has fascinated and captivated humans for centuries. It is a reminder of the incredible diversity and wonder of life on Earth, and a symbol of our responsibility to protect and conserve the natural world.